Hello guys, my name is Sonny Stevens today, and I'm going to be identifying a problem in an elementary school class. And this class is Miss Linton's class, and let's get to it. Well, Miss Linton's class has two technology devices that they have. They have an iPad and a smartboard in the classroom. The one problem that I noticed in her class over 720 hours that she never used the smartboard once in her classroom. Before the math class begins, she uses student reflexes, which is like a online math game, like on an app, and then with a fault addition and subtraction. For reading, students take AR tests over the iPad. This activity was a challenge for me because Miss Linton is one of the old-fashioned teachers that did not really want to use technology. And whenever I ask her, and she's like, I don't have a problem with teaching the subject, but if I were to have one, it would be social studies. So this is an example of the two technologies she has in her classroom, a smartboard and iPad for her students. So the three tools I suggested for Miss Linton's class is Quizlet, Prezi, and a smartboard lesson plan. Now, in this lesson, Miss Linton's going to have a student grab their iPad and scan the QR code on the screen to go to the website. And once they are at the website, they will go over to the vocab word. And then, on the flashcard, the students will, review the words and study them. And then, once she thinks that they have a grasp of the words, they are going to be going to the Learn tab, and they're going to be answering the questions in the Learn tab. This is a great tool for teachers because you can see where they are stumped on and where they are having problems. If you look at the right hand of the screen, you can see a sample of the Learning tab. And it sees what progress you are making, and it will redo the ones that you have problems on so you can study them more. And you can see up on the upper tab the different tools that they have, games and practice tests and stuff, which I think is pretty cool for students to learn. Let's go to the second lesson, which is a smartboard lesson plan. And in this lesson, they are going to be learning how to read maps and tell what's the difference between a map and an atlas and a globe. And so I really wanted them to learn this because it will help them in the future. So this one, I have a part of the smartboard lesson plan. And it gets out the definitions and what makes them different. And she can have the students go up to the board and put them in the certain categories that they are. For instance, drawing will be a part of a map. Okay, we're going to go to the next one. And this is really cool because it shows you directions as well as tools. And this is what the introduction page looks like, which I really do like. And I think students will have so much fun with this. And then if you want to get out of the technology phase of this, you can have them write down what the differences are between them, and you can make it a really creative way anyway. Here's the third lesson plan is Prezi, and they're going to be learning how to interpret a timeline, which is very important in history for time and events. And this activity gets a chance for students to take a break from technology for a bit and work in groups and discuss about their families and inspire culture and diversity in the classroom. And especially if you have international students in the class, would be the great thing. For this activity, I want students to learn how to with the timeline, like I said, and learn about some family history. So Miss Lynn will make a timeline where students can hang their photos off of and show the class in the order of the events that they happen. And I think it'd be fun for the class to know this stuff, and it'd be really cool opportunity to know more about the students. And that's it. I hope you have a great Thanksgiving break, and see you next time.